Volkswagen has released a sketch that gives us a better look of the new Gen T7 Multivan and announced that it will premiere in mid-June. The people carrier features a more advanced design with certain aspects inspired by some of its predecessors. For instance, the horizontal character line running across the body is a nod to the T3, whereas the bonnet stretched under the windscreen reminds us of the T4. Taking a major step forward, we have further enhanced the unmistakable character of this iconic vehicle while still remaining loyal to the typical Bulli line, said chief designer Albert Kirzinger. We consciously invoke, for example, the horizontal character line that runs around the body of a T3. The DNA of the T's multifaceted story lives on. In a completely new multivan, which is nevertheless a typical Bulli at first sight. The front end of the T7 looks somewhat similar to some of Volkswagen's newer models, such as the Golf MK8. And for good reason, because it is underpinned by the MQB platform, as the automaker has confirmed. As a result, it will be compatible with a wider number of powertrains, and if the recent reports turn out to be true, then it should launch with the usual petrol and diesel engines, likely joined by plug-in hybrid powertrains. As far as the interior is concerned, the 2021 T7 Multivan promises enhanced practicality and improved space. It will feature a 10-inch infotainment system, 360° cameras, shift-by-wire gear selector, and a multi-function table that doubles as a console for the front seat occupants.